Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's hot topic. Today I want to talk to you about retinol serum. So what's the difference between retinoids, retinol, retinoic acid, and retin A? Now basically retinoids are essentially a form of vitamin A, and they're a class of anti-aging compounds used in skincare. They help fight acne, reduce wrinkles, stimulate collagen, and promote cellular turnover. So when all your skin cells die, it kind of cleans that up. And they're also known for evening out skin tones, increasing blood flow to the skin. And they're also basically just a chemical class that both retinols and retin A fall under. So let's talk about what retinol is. Retinol is also a vitamin A derivative, and it also functions like an antioxidant to help address free radical damage, which leads to the physical or the visible signs of aging. And the difference is that retinols are gentler version of retinoids, and that you typically don't need a prescription to use the retinols. Now, retin A on the flip side is prescription only retinoid, and obviously for various reasons, it's just stronger than anything you can get over the counter. That's typically why you need prescriptions for most things. Retin A also improves skin tone, boosts collagen, reduces fine lines in your face and wrinkles, and speeds up that cellular turnover. So basically, it's a lot stronger and consequently more powerful. Retin A will also be the most effective and potent anti-aging cream that you can have with the, although it does have that highest irritation factor. So retinol is less irritating, but it takes longer to achieve the results. So it just kind of depends if you want retinol or if you want retin A. It's basically the same thing, but one is just going to be faster than the other. Now, retinol needs to work with the skin's enzymes to convert it into retinoic acid before it becomes effective. So that's why it takes a little bit longer. But retin A, because it's more effective and it's more potent, it can do whatever, it can do it on its own. So it doesn't need to conjugate and convert into things with enzymes for it to work on with your system. So when should you start using it now that you know the difference? So you don't want to start using anti-aging products a little too soon. So basically people who are starting to notice fine lines in their face, typically it's after the age of 30 to 35. That's when they can start using the over-the-counter retinol in their nightly skincare routine. Not only does retinol help to diminish those fine lines and wrinkles, but it also can help reverse some of those side effects from sun damage. So this is also why you don't want to use it too soon, because you don't want it to reverse damaged skin that is healthy and it's fresh and it's younger. Now, if you're struggling with acne, you can actually start using retinol even sooner. So you can use it for acne, but you should be more aggressive about titrating up the strength if you're using retinol. So over-the-counter retinol won't clear up moderate to severe acne, so you do need to look into that prescription retin A if you can. So don't expect it to be like perfect if you don't have a prescription. Retinoids are great for preventing and treating acne, especially for blackheads, because they unclog the pores. And because of this collagen stimulating ability, it can actually be beneficial for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and scarring. So that's something else that you can use it for. Now, as far as using it, retinols break down in sunlight and make your skin a lot more sensitive. So you do have to be a little bit more cautious when you're using it. But some retinols are photostable, so that basically means it does break, or they won't break down into the sun. But if you're unsure, it's just best to use the product at night. So you don't want to use it in the day because you could, be super red and super sensitive. Most of the products only require a pea-size amount. So the good thing about retinol is a little bit is going to go a long way. And you do want to make sure you introduce retinol slowly into your skincare regimen. Again, you don't want to use it every night, but you want to start off with a small amount and then kind of work your way into it. So typically it's about twice a week into your nightly normal skincare routine is a good start. And then that way it kind of gets your skin some time to acclimate to it and build up that endurance, because again, it can make your skin super sensitive. Another good thing is you can alternate between vitamin C serum and the retinoid at the end of the night. So these are two products that can go hand in hand to make your skin healthy and keep in that glowing state. Now, again, you don't want to use these anti-aging products too soon. That's where you can run into some issues. So if you're in your teens or late 20s and you're like, oh, my face is wrinkly, you don't have to worry about it. You shouldn't start using that until you're almost Not that 30 is old, but you don't want to start using it too soon because you could actually do a little bit more damage. So that is the basic general of retinols, retinoids, Retin-A. Do your research. There is a lot of research out there, but it's super common, very popular anti-aging skincare creams that are super easy to incorporate into your nightly skincare routine, and will help you feel and look so much better. All right, that's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next time.